Hello, welcome back to Mickey and my craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today, this is video number 2. We're going to continue with the series of ADiamond Painting Company, which is a good company. It's just that there have been some surprises. So, we're going to we have one more pour glue. It's a 30 by 40. I'm going to throw this away because the pour glue, I stretched them out. And since I don't buy that many, so I don't have that many either. So let's see. This one also has that nice toolkit. This is very sturdy with the 2 pan. And one has a 4 placer and the other 10 placer and some baggies and a big chunk of wax. This is the one that we're gonna be dealing with today. I don't know why it's looking so dark. So let's see how this double-sided tape turn out, because I'm having a hard time and a disappointment on this one. Take a look at this. This is what causes the bubbles and the rivers. This is a what? This is also a round. Did I choose this one in round? Take a look at this. Oh, I love that butterfly. I don't know about you guys, but I do love that butterfly. If I turn... one of the lights off. Oh. Okay. I love this one. Look at the colors on this one. Let's see if there is any bubble that we have to treat. Yeah, I see a couple of them, but they are very subtle, so they don't need that much worked. And also this is a round again. Oh god, this is a round again with a double-sided tape. Honestly, I don't know what's the this is beautiful. That's the how you say it, the butterfly in a whole bunch of flowers. You can distinguish the flowers in there. Let me see. This one has it doesn't tell me in here either. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 4, 26, 28, 30, 32 colors. And it's a 30 by 40. And it has the key code on both sides of the canvas. Let's do the top part. When you do these double-sided, when you pull them, you have to be careful you don't pull the tape. Here is the other side with the butterfly again. This is how very colorful it is. Oh, this one has a nice, nasty ribbon in here. I don't know if you see them. Look at that. You can see the division right there, right here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Nope. I'm trying to get the do this one right here. Yeah, the glue is very sticky, but it doesn't take out the problem with the bubbles. The drill field is very clear, and as you can see, the training wheels are subtle. They're not that bad, so I can live with that. I can live with that. I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna turn it around. I'm not gonna get all these drills out either, but I do going to show you the thumbnail in the paperwork because he's bigger. Tells you the steps, tells you the symbols, and the number of pack, which you can do your inventory and make sure that you're not missing anything. So here it is. Let's pull some of this. There's a lot of, well, I can do it from here. You see, there's a lot of colors that are summer or spring-like. Take a look at this. I'm not gonna take them out. Not all of them. I'm liking these drills. I don't see any dimples on them. That's one. Let's look at this green one. Look at how beautiful they are, and they do shine. Although you can hardly see the shine on these packets because they're so tight to each other. Maybe on this one we'll be able to see some of the shine. Yeah, some of the beads right here. Look at how flat those are. So this has been a good, you know, even though double-sided tape and bubbles, a good experience with the drills. I'm gonna post a video of the bunnies that I did. They were they were square, but I believe that was pour glue, not double-sided tape. So let's go to the next one. This is a full double-sided tape, only 3 of them, and I didn't expect any. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Where do you open this one? Oh, here, right here. This one I got it, because I put them back. This is a standard boat, okay? This one already came keyed up and it's around. Look at these beautiful colors. Look at how beautiful they are. This is a round, we get round. Oh yeah. Red one. Let me zoom you out. Red wine. This one I chose it as a round. It's a 40 by 30. It's a pour glue. It has 24 colors. Probably if I chose it as a square, it will come double-sided tape, and thanks God it doesn't. Oh, let's see. Okay, I see the one glass of wine. I see the cup. I see the plants. Almost the whole background is in red. Here it is. Oh, we have the flowers on the back over here. The roses, the red roses. Here it is. This is why I chose it as a round, because there's not that many detail. And the drill film, even through the film, is very clear. Is symbols and letters. Let's look at some of these colors, although I won't like to disturb them. You're still gonna need a light pattern, especially if you're older like me. Let's see. Oh, they're so beautiful. I don't wanna. Just fell out. Oh well. Let's pull them out. And then we can see some of this. Here it is. It's pretty. It's a lot of red and oranges because of the roses. I think this is called raspberry or cherry. Because usually red wine has a hint of either one of those fruit. Take a look at this one. This is beautiful. Hold on just a second. Okay. Let's see. Here are the rest of the colors. Here it is, more reddish. Maybe if I pull back. Now we got it. Here it is. They're shiny. They're flat. Here you're gonna see all the colors. Have all these color on this big bag. This is a pink one. Pretty one. Here's some green. That's a pretty brown. Another pretty brown. Okay, now the alarm starts sounding off. I'll be back. Sorry guys, but one of these days I'm gonna take the hammer and I'm gonna hammer out that alarm. Because honestly, it gets you out. Okay, here is this orangey. I don't know if I show you this one already. Here it is, how pretty it is. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna make you watch me put these ones back together. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next one, welcome to the new subscribers. Hit the notification bell. Until the next time, much love and peace.